In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Shopify customer sign-in links and the profile icon in your store header. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin with the proper permissions to edit store settings. This quick setup helps customers find where to log in or manage their accounts, which can improve checkout speed and reduce account-related support questions. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Customer Accounts. This is the central place where you control how customers sign in, what the login experience looks like, and how accounts function across your store. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this page is helpful because any change you make here directly affects what customers see. Next, find the section labeled Sign-in Links. Here, turn on the toggle for Show Sign-in Links. This toggle controls whether a login or profile option appears in your storefront. When it's on, most themes will display a profile icon in the header, or a text link like login or account, making it obvious for shoppers to access their accounts. Turning this on doesn't expose any private information. It simply provides a visible entry point for account access. Now choose the customer account version you want to use and then click Switch to Customer Accounts. Shopify offers different versions of customer accounts, and this choice determines the look and functionality of the sign-in experience your customers will see. Pick the version that matches your store's needs, knowing that switching the version affects experience and layout, but doesn't delete your existing customer data. The change applies store-wide and usually takes effect right away. With those settings updated, visit your online store to confirm the change. Open your storefront and look at the header area. You should see a profile icon, typically a small person silhouette, or a link labeled Login or Account. Depending on your theme, the exact placement can vary, and on mobile it may appear inside the menu. If you've made the change recently, refresh the page, try a private browsing window, or check both desktop and mobile views to ensure you're seeing the latest version. That's all there is to it. You've enabled sign-in links, selected the preferred customer account version, and confirmed the profile icon is visible on your storefront. This simple setup makes it easier for customers to log in, track orders, and manage their details, all while giving your store a more polished, user-friendly experience.